Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. You're looking at the guts of my Tankless. You're looking at a very wet floor. Those two things mean something bad's happened. And something bad has happened, but it's not my fault. I know everyone says that, but it's true, it's not my fault. So we got gas installed at the property. I'll do another video on that, I'm sure, later. But, which means that we can finally fire up this Tankless, right? The Rinnai Tankless hot water heater. And get some hot water. Well, I tried. And as soon as I opened those valves to start pressurizing the Tankless, water started flooding out of the case. Not what you want to see. So that was no crap moment. So turn it off, unplug it, take the cover off, and what do we find? Well, we found a defect. Manufacturing defect. So center frame right there, you see a 90 on. You see kind of a 90. Can I even get my hand in there to point this out to you? Yes. You see a 90 coming up right there and going over. So that is the cold water supply line. Goes up, goes over into the recirculating pump. Okay. Notice the large amount of air gap there between those two, that flange and the pump. And if we angle kind of over here, you can see, look, that looks surprisingly like a screw hole without a screw in it. So this thing came from the factory without screws in it. And so you run up the water, you pressurize it, and boom, flood. So that was fun. So not what you want to have to happen when, your final house inspections are like next week. So Rinnai, I called Rinnai customer support. Awesome. Very helpful troubleshooting. I can't sing their praises enough. It went about as efficient as you could even hope to have someone. Within probably 60 seconds of me calling, I'm online with the technician, and I am streaming video from my phone to him where he can see in real time exactly what the problem is, and he's overnighting me 2 screws. So you can't beat customer service like that, I don't think. So props to Rinnai for that. So I wanted to just video this just to document and to show you guys, like, problems that you encounter. Who would have thought, manufacturing defects happen, but they're rare. Well, I guess my number came up. So hopefully just running those 2 screws in will tighten up that joint and seal it. I hope. If not, well, then I call customer service and we figure it out from there. But so things definitely don't go according to plan. But that's how we learn. So hope you found this informative. Side note, since we're talking Rinnai, there's a YouTube channel called The Rinnai Guy. If you're doing anything with these Tanklesses, check his channel out because his videos are absolutely fabulous. Everything, trying to plumb this in myself. Every bit of knowledge I got on how to do it, I got from him, and it was absolutely incredible. So his videos are great. Check him out. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.